Today we're going to go over a 10-minute stretching routine for your lower body that you can do in bed.
That's right. And this routine consists of 7 complete stretches that are going to cover from ankles, hips, all the way to the shoulders.
So with all these stretches, hold for a duration of 15 to 30 seconds and only perform the ones that feel good for you.
That's right. And you may benefit from using a belt or a strap, but you don't need them. Oh, I did forget. I want to mention that this is actually Bob's morning routine. He does it every day, and he has great success with it, so we know it's spot on. It's good. Go ahead with number 1.
So first, we're going to stretch the calves. Now, I'm going to stretch my left one. If you don't have any belts or something to wrap around your foot, you could just take your other foot, pull up, try to get a calf stretch. I'm personally not feeling much doing this way, so I have a belt. I have it lassoed like this. You could certainly just take a long bed sheet, wrap it around your foot and pull up. So basically all you're going to do is pull your toes up towards your nose and you should feel a good calf stretch there.
You know, if you have one of these straps like this that actually work very well, you simply put that around your foot. Can you let go of that, Mike? And then you have these loops. If you have grip problems with your fingers, arthritic pain or whatever, this is a really nice option because you can loop your hands in there and your foot, and they're not very expensive.
Next, we're going to stretch the hip adductor or inner thigh muscles. In order to do this, I'm just going to touch the bottom of my feet together and bring them closer to my buttock like this. If this is all you can do, simply hold this for 15 to 30 seconds. If you want more of an advanced version, you can lift it up, grab at my ankles, and I'm pushing my elbows into my knee, getting a good stretch. Brad is going to show you how you can do it with the strap.
Yeah, the strap actually works well. You can do this either on the floor or in bed. It really doesn't matter. Again, put your feet through there like that. You can see each foot's through a loop. My hands, each one's in a loop. I don't even have to grab. Elbows to my knees. And I'm going to cross and I just pull. It is just a wonderful stretch. I can actually relax, breathe, hold it for that 15 to 30 seconds, and we're done.
Next, we're going to stretch the hip external rotators. So to begin, I'm going to do my left leg here. If this is enough stretch for you in this down position, having my leg rotated like this, just stay here for 15 to 30 seconds. If this is easy, bend your other knee up, and the closer you bring it to your chest, the more stretch you're going to feel. You can even grab underneath that leg and push, pull up and push like this. This is the extreme version. If you can do this, that's fine. Hold this for 15 to 30 seconds. Make sure to repeat on the other leg.
This is one of my personal favorite stretches. It's really good for that hip and relaxing.
Now we're going to stretch the hip flexor muscle. You're going to have to scoot to the edge of your bed. Hopefully you have a firm bed so your buttock does not slide off it. The closer you are to the edge, the more stretch you will feel. We're going to begin with both knees to the chest like this. I'm going to stretch my left leg here. I'm going to drop it down. Once I'm down here as far as I can comfortably go, I'm going to try to bend my knee back. It's going to get a little more stretch. And then I'm going to pull the opposite leg towards my chest. Hold this for 15 to 30 seconds. Make sure to keep this leg in a nice straight line. Do not let it fall out too far. It's not going to stretch as well.
Back that way. Good. Just relax, relax, and breathe on all of these. This is really important that you relax and allow the weight of your leg to pull that down. It'll work well.
Again, make sure to perform this on both sides. You don't want to have one tight leg and one loose leg.
That's right. You walk in circles if you do.
Now we're going to move on to the hamstrings right here, where you run from the back of your knee up to your buttock. We're going to show 2 ways. For my way, you're going to have to sit more at the edge of the bed. I'm going to be stretching this leg. You want to straighten your knee as much as possible. Once you're there, try to keep a flat back, but bend forward. I'm not very flexible in my hamstrings. This is as far as I can bend. Simply hold this for 15 to 30 seconds and perform on the other side.
If you want to do it with a belt or a strap, you can lie down on your back. I like to do it this way, particularly with the strap. It is important that you keep the knee as straight as possible. If you do this and you let the knee bend, that takes the hamstring out. It will not be effective. Straight and relax, and I'm just pulling up, and you will feel a nice stretch right through those hamstrings. Again, relax and breathe for that time that Mike mentioned. I'm stretched out.
I'm not. We got more to do.
You are tight in the hamstring, but it'll get better, Mike.
Now we're going to stretch the hips a little bit and low back. We're going to do beginner and an advanced version. The first one is just some low trunk rotations, or windshield wipers as Brad likes to call them. You're going to simply rotate your low back side to side, keeping my feet on the mat here. And you can just do repetitions with this. If you want to sit here in this position for 15 to 30 seconds, you certainly can, and then do the other side. Choose which way you like to perform these.
With this, I'd like to add, make sure that when you rotate, you allow the hips to rotate, but your shoulders need to attempt to stay flat on the bed or the floor so you get that nice stretch. With that, that works very well. If you do experience pain in one direction, do not go that way. Go the other way. Only go that direction that's painful until you bump into the pain and then go back. You don't want to irritate something.
Okay, and the last stretch, you're going to have to get on your hands and knees for this. If you're on a bed, luckily it's soft. It's called the child's pose, commonly known in yoga. So I'm going to put my hands forward like this. I'm going to sit my buttock towards my heels. Try to keep my hands in place. If I want more of a stretch, I could certainly reach up further. Hold for 15 to 30 seconds and breathe. Brad, do you want to show them if they want to stretch one way more?
Sure. Simply take, if you want to do the right side, take your right hand, reach over towards your left hand like I'm doing here. I think Mike is doing the same thing up there.
I am now.
Yep. And stretch. You can kind of put a little rotation and twist in your trunk. You'll feel it stretch more. If you want to do the other side, it's simply the opposite. If you are doing it on the floor and you don't have a good soft carpet, you can do what I do. Just take a simple pillow, put it under your knees. I'm using a Pete's Choice. Either way, it's a lot more comfortable and you'll get a better stretch. Make sure you don't abuse those knees. Wow, I'm stretched.
So today's product we're talking about is the Q2 Massager. It comes in 3 color options. We have blue, black, and red. So this massage gun comes with 5 different heads Brad is holding there. We really like the air head, which is the cushioned one, because it can work well in bony areas, as well as the round head. The other heads are very good, but they're more for a specific trigger point area. And it also comes with this convenient carrying case where it can hold everything you need.
This has been one of our most popular massage guns. We've had it for about 3 years. It's small. It only weighs 1 pound. It's great for traveling with.
It has a 7mm amplitude, meaning how far into the muscle belly it can get, and a 32-pound stall force, which is pretty strong for a massage gun that only weighs 1 pound.
That's right. And the nice thing about it is the cost. You'll get these anywhere from $69, maybe plus or minus, depending on what you find on Amazon. It's a great device. You will not be unhappy with it.
It is also rechargeable. Simply plug it in. Typically takes 2 hours to charge and roughly lasts about 4 hours, depending upon how intense you have it.
There you go. Enjoy your massage gun. BobandBrad.com. You can get it there as well, I think.
Yes,
yeah,
our store section.
All right, like Mike mentioned earlier before we did the stretches, go through all of them. If they create pain or they're not working well, just put those off to the side. Do the ones that feel good and make you feel good. Mike, we've got another video that will be helpful.
If you want to check out more videos on leg stretching, you can click the video link on the screen.
Good. Have you considered stretching every morning like this? Maybe we should all get into this.
I do stretches, but not these ones, apparently.
Yeah, we all have our own. We're unique individuals.
Bob and Brad, the 2 most famous physical therapists on the internet.